Hook 45s. Ever heard someone say you need thousands to start making money online? I'm about to prove that myth wrong. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly how I earned $500 in a single week using 3 free AI tools, and how you can replicate every single step. Stay till the end for a secret bonus that can add another $200 to your pocket. NTRO 1 minute. Hey everyone, I'm Alex, your go-to guide for turning AI into real cash. Over the past year, I've tested dozens of AI platforms, from text generators to image creators, and I've distilled the process into 3 repeatable methods that work in 2020 SIXS market. Today's video is a full tutorial, no fluff, just actionable steps, exact prompts, and real numbers. By the end, you'll have 3 ready-to-launch side hustles and a bonus micro SaaS idea you can spin up in under an hour. Method 1. AI Content Affiliate Hack, 2 minutes. Step 1. Sign up for Jasper, free trial, and connect it to your WordPress site. Step 2. Choose a high-paying niche, think AI-powered home security, which averages $15 CPA. Step 3. Use the following prompt in Jasper. Write a 1,500-word, SEO-optimized blog post about the top 5 AI home security systems in 2026. Include a compelling introduction, bullet point pros/cons, and a call to action linking to Amazon affiliate URLs. Jasper produces the full draft in under 2 minutes. Step 4. Plug in your affiliate links, publish and promote via free Reddit and Pinterest traffic. Within 3 days, I saw 1,200 page views and $300 in commissions. The key is to schedule posts with the free buffer tool and reuse the same prompt for multiple sub-niches, scaling to $600 in 2 weeks. Method 2. AI print-on-demand design, 2 minutes. Step 1. Open a free Midjourney account on Discord. Step 2. Use this prompt. Create a minimalist, futuristic t-shirt graphic featuring a cyberpunk AI brain glowing neon teal, suitable for a tech-savvy audience. Midjourney returns 4 variations in seconds. Pick the best and upscale. Step 3. Download the PNG, remove the background with Remove, BG, free tier, and upload to Printful. Step 4. List the design on Etsy with SEO-rich titles like 2026 AI Brain Tee, Cyberpunk Tech Shirt. Price at $24, cost $12, net $12 per sale. After posting 3 designs, I made $150 in the first week, driven by Instagram Reels that I edited with free InVideo AI Video Maker. The secret is to schedule daily Reels using the same AI-generated mockups and add trending music. Method 3. AI Freelance Automation, 2 minutes. Step 1. Sign up for the free tier of Zapier and connect the ChatGPT API. You get $5 credit each month. Step 2. Build a Zap that watches your Gmail for subject lines containing blog outline. When triggered, Zap sends the email body to ChatGPT with this prompt. Create a detailed 800-word blog outline on the given topic. Include H2 headings and bullet points. Step 3. The response is automatically sent back to you as a Google document. Offer this as a $30 service on Fiverr. I completed 5 orders in 3 days, earning $150. Because the Zap runs 24/7, you can handle up to 20 requests per day without lifting a finger, turning a $0 setup into a $400 monthly stream. Bonus, 1 minute. Here's the hidden gem. A micro SaaS built with Bubble, free tier, that sells AI-generated Instagram captions. Use the OpenAI API, free $18 credit, to power a caption generator. Set a simple pricing page at $5 per month. I launched it last month, got 20 subscribers in 10 days, and that's $100 recurring. The best part? No code, no hosting costs, and you can market it to the same audience you built in methods 1-3. CTA 30s. If you found value in these AI money hacks, smash that like button, share the video with anyone who wants to start earning fast, and subscribe for weekly AI cash tutorials. Comment below which method you'll try first, and I'll reply with a personalized tip. Remember, the future is AI rich, and the best time to start is right now.